to use CrowdCube of a startup investment app properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. iCube is UK's largest startup investment platform, helping regular people invest alongside venture capitalists. But most new investors die in without a plan and lose their edge. Here's how to use CrowdCube properly and avoid beginner mistakes that cost you. The first mistake is treating it like a stock trading app. CrowdCube investments are long-term and illiquid. That means you can't sell your shares easily. You're backing the business for the long haul. Next, don't ignore the campaign videos and financial documents. These are cold. They explain business models, projected revenue, and risk factors. Beginners often invest on emotion, but smart investors study the pitch like a business partner would. Another mistake: overinvesting in one deal. Even if a startup seems brilliant, spread your funds across multiple campaigns. The goal isn't to find the next unicorn, it's to build a balanced portfolio of small bets with big potential. Pro tip: watch for investor perks. Many startups offer discounts or rewards to shareholders, from early access products to lifetime deals, adding extra value beyond returns. And here's something most users don't realize: CrowdCube vets companies before they go live. That does to eliminate risk, but it does filter out low-quality proposals. The surprising truth? Startup investing rewards patience, not luck. So diversify, read the fine print, and only invest what you can afford to lock away for years. Used properly, CrowdCube can turn you from a spectator into a real participant in the startup economy.